Hey guys, it's Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services, located at where? Our beautiful Lauderdale Marine Center. So we have a very interesting project that's been here for the last couple weeks that we came in. This is Lenny Kravitz's old boat, the one-of-a-kind Magnum 60. And if you can see how this boat held up, it hit a container ship in the water and it just ripped apart the bottom. You can see we're in the middle of repairs and taking apart the bottom. And if you look up here, a lot of the sides got delaminated, so it's a real big project we're into. And you can still see the core and everything held place. It was well built. And even after the damage and getting everything ripped up, it still made it back on its own bottom and it was able to get hauled out and blocked up for us to repair. The new owner is very good friends with me, and he only wanted to use an ABS certified yacht builder when you're doing this kind of major reconstruction and repairs that Foster's Yacht Services has. We hold the certificate here in Fort Lauderdale for composites for ABS. Also, it's very interesting to know that Lenny Kravitz personally used his boat and this 60 one-of-a-kind Magnum to get from his house in Miami to his house in Nassau in the Bahamas. And that was his ways of transportation back all the time from Nassau to Miami. Really, really, really interesting, and also very interesting on how this boat held up. Most other boats, when they get hit a container ship, they just break apart and sink. This one was able to run back on its own bottom, get hauled out, and then get back over here and get repaired. So very interesting, not only the story, but the builder of the boat, the one-of-a-kind Magnum 60, and how it held up. And if you look at what we're doing on the bottom here real quick, we're replacing all the core and vacuum bagging it in. We're gonna resin infuse everything, as you can see. And here's our vacuum bagging, our peel ply, our tubing, and our flow medium on there. So if you look all the way down the boat, that's how much it ripped apart. It really destroyed the bottom, and it destroyed the support side of the hull here. So after we're done and do all the repairs, we're gonna go ahead and prime and repaint the boat back in metallic gold for its new owner, and he can get back on the water going from house to house. Foster's Yacht Services, Lauderdale Marina, guys, signing out.